In this problem, we'll use a graph of the relation to identify the domain and range of the relation. So we got y is equal to x squared minus 3. Now you can plug it in your calculator if you can get y by itself. And this one has y by itself, so it's perfect form. So let's go over, press our y equals, press clear. We'll do our x, and then the x squared key, and then minus 3. And then graph. Our domain and our range. Your domain is your x values where your graph exists. If I look at this graph, as it's going up here, see how it's slowly going left, keep slowly going left, it'll keep slowly going left. It always follows that trend, and then it keeps slowly going left, so it's going to negative infinity. Whatever trend you see here, you can assume that's true from here on out. So this graph, as it's going up, it's slowly going to the right, slowly going to the right, it'll keep slowly going to the right forever, so it's going to positive infinity. So your domain is negative infinity to positive infinity. Now our range, our y values. If we look for our lowest y value, down here at like y is equal to negative 9. If I go left to right, I don't find my graph anywhere. It doesn't exist down here. Your range is your y values where your graph exists. The lowest point on our graph is right here at y is equal to 3. So it's going to 3 to something. And you see as the graph goes this way, it's going up forever. So it'll keep going up forever, up forever. So in terms of y values, it's going to positive infinity. If you don't have, in terms of your range, if you don't have a high point and low point, like this right here, then it's negative infinity, positive infinity. In terms of your x values, your domain, if you don't have a far left point or far right point, and just seems like it goes forever, then it's negative infinity, positive infinity. Again, we have a low point here. Now infinities always have parentheses, and you can assume brackets for now anytime you have a number. The only time you don't have a bracket is when you got an open dot or open circle. But those are answers.